Dr. Waqar.
Waqar Maqsood sir.
Dr. Waqar. And
Dr. Waqar
Dr. Waqar के
Waqar sir.
Dr. Waqar.
Dr. Waqar.
Dr. Waqar.
Dr. Waqar.
My name is Dr. Waqar Maqsood and I am transplanting hairs from last 13 years. My satisfaction rate for the patients is almost 100%, and from last 13 years the hundreds of the patients have given me the good reviews. So I advise you to choose your doctor wisely. For the hair transplant procedures, it is necessary to go under the hair transplant surgery by a doctor who do the surgery by himself, and I welcome you into my practice. So first of all, you will come to me for the consultation and I will do by mathematical numbers that how many grafts you need, and after that I will make your hairline, and then we will proceed for the hair transplant procedures after having your blood test and everything that you are suitable for the hair transplant or not, and I will be...
My name is Asmat and I did my hair transplant with Sculpt Roots Medical, and I am 100% satisfied with their result. Dr. Waqar is amazing, and the staffs here and everyone, they are very polite and they are just professional in each and everything. And I'm very satisfied with my result. It's just like 4 months and still it has to come more. And I will recommend everyone just to visit here once and meet Dr. Waqar if you're looking for a hair transplant. He's just amazing person, and all the staffs here is just amazing and very, very qualified.
I am very lucky that I did with Dr. Waqar with the Sculpt Roots. I suggest Sculpt Roots because I chose Sculpt Roots after meet 10 clinics. आप इधर आए, इनका प्रोसीजर और ये फॉलो अप अमेजिंग.
السلام عليكم، يعطيكم العافيه. انا حاليا في عياده الدكتور وقار، عملت زراعه شعر قبل سنه ونص تقريبا الحمد لله، وهاي النتيجه كثير راضي عنها. كان عندي هنا كثير فاضي الشعر من هون وخاصه من الوسط، الحمد لله في نتائج مضمونه وممتازه. وانصح اي حدا عنده شعر خفيف او في تساقط يحاول يزرع شعر، وعند الدكتور وقار واحسن عياده وخدمات متابعه من قبل الدكتور. بشكركم جميعا.
Hi, my name is Faryad Ali. Last 5 months back I was here with Dr. Waqar. This is Sculpt Roots Clinic. So you can see my photo last 5 months back. My hair, I was did one hair transplant here. So now alhamdulillah, very good result. Here is very technically and professional way to go. So thank you his team and Dr. Waqar. Thank you very much.
Hi, I did my surgery for hair transplant on the month of March. Now it's been 5th month and you can see the results. Today I came to Sculpt Roots to do the hair styling. It is important to do a hair styling because it helps a pattern for your hair, and now the hair will be growing in a particular pattern. So I have done also 6 PRP sessions. This also helps to improve your hair growth and all. So thank you Sculpt Roots for this amazing opportunity and this consultation.
I got my surgery done around 4 months back. So this is how I look earlier and this is how I am now. So I'm 43 years old. So I was very confused whether to go for surgery or not. So then I came across Dr. Waqar and I'm very, very happy with the results. So you can see and how it was earlier. Even on the donor side also there are no scabs. So I generally used to keep very clean shave on the lower side. So even there are no scars on the donor area also. So very happy. And this is the result just after 4 months.
Hi, this is Abdul Khalik here, and I have done my hair transplant in Sculpt Roots Clinic by Waqar Maqsood sir, and it's been 5 months since I have done my hair transplant. So this is my earlier picture. Now you can see my 5th month result. I can extend my wishes to Sculpt Roots Clinic, and thanks to Dr. Waqar Maqsood sir.